fostering was something I thought about in the early part of my life, and I knew I was going to do it one day, but it was whenever that was the right time. And I think the right time was very, very different for everybody. So I was trotting along with life. I'd had 2 birth children, and it came to the point where I was looking actually for a diversion in my career. I wasn't really sure, and seen an advert in the paper for a therapeutic carer. So I went through the process and I was approved by panel. And actually it turned out that because the younger child was doing GCSEs, it was perhaps a better time to wait to do that kind of caring until later on and their needs were met. And I went in to do some respite instead. So I did that for a while. I think it was about 3 years or so, and eventually gave up my job and my career and became a full-time foster carer.
Yeah, and then I've always wanted to be a foster carer like you, and we're a naturally nurturing family on the whole, aren't we? So it's just something that's come natural to us. So it's a no-brainer really that we're all doing fostering, isn't it?
We're in it together.
As I said earlier, I fostered because it was the right time for me and it was something I planned.
Yeah, and you were first from the actual
Foster
fostering.
Wales, Swansea.
Yeah.
And then I fostered after you two, didn't I? I did lots of unofficial fostering, when I was a lot younger, and just knew it was something that I was going to do as a career at some point one day. And here we are, doing it.